Today I'm going to show you how to roll up long extension cords or long ropes. In this case we're using 100 foot of 3/8, and with this method you can pretty much make the loops as long as you want to your desired length. You just want to make sure that you lay each one of those wraps in there nice and evenly and get them equal length and they're all parallel. Now, a lot of people like the chain sennit. I'm not a big fan of the chain sennit because, especially for extension cords in cold weather, it tends to make just a jumbled mess because the cold will keep the rubber of extension cords just twisted all up, and it just not pretty at all. So once you get done with your wraps, you just want to leave yourself about 3 feet of rope. You're going to twist the rope around at least twice. Take a bite, send it up through the loop, and then send the end of the rope through that bite, and now you have created a hanging point for your rope. Another benefit to this method is that if you're not setting it like on a hook, if you don't have a hook to hang it with, you can go around a ring or something, set a toggle through it, and now you have a way to hang your rope.